I'm so excited considering I only go to Trader Joe's at school and the one at home is a hike. So now there's one just like 10 minutes away. I am so excited. I will show you guys the different meals that I end up making at school all the time and then a couple other goodies that we end up picking up. I've never driven with my sister because she got her license while I was at school, so this will be interesting. So you saw all the goodies that we got, and the Trader Joe's at home is so much bigger than the one at school, so I am so happy that there's one at home now. So what I'm going to show you is the meals that my roommate and I have been making at school, and just like easy meals to make when you're in college and like kind of on the go all the time. They are quick. I mean, we make them on the stovetop, but for the most part they're very, very fast. So yeah, I'll just show you what I got. So we have been loving the cauliflower stir fry. And it has green peas, red peppers, grilled corn, spring onion, sesame oil, and ginger. And we have been loving this. We go through like cauliflower rice so quickly, and we end up having this with just shrimp, which is already cooked. So we just put it right on top of the stove, and sometimes we also put broccoli on it, which we also just like roast in the stove. So that's a dinner that we have pretty often together. We always buy our groceries together because it kind of saves money. Buying groceries for two, less of the food goes bad and you end up not shopping as often because you know exactly what you need for two people. Another thing that we have is the cauliflower gnocchi, and my roommate is very good at making this. I never end up having anything to do with it because she makes the perfect crispiness, and we normally put just like red sauce on it. For a long time, we were doing like a salad, which is a bunch of different things, and then putting a veggie burger on top, but we've been kind of sick of that, so I didn't buy that, but it's another very easy, quick meal. Next, I have Trader Joe's sweet Italian style chicken sausage. This chicken sausage is so delicious, and we end up cutting up red and green pepper and just sauteing it on the stove. And that's our meal, and sometimes we'll have quinoa with it as well. As you can see, we try to stay like very healthy during the week because on the weekend is when we'll eat like chicken fingers, pizza, and kind of go all out. But during the week, we try to make very easy, quick, healthy meals. Okay, so this next thing we discovered actually at Trader Joe's. If you go there, you know that they have samples, and they had these as samples one day, and I tried it, and we have gotten this ever since. It is organic tomato and roasted red pepper soup, and it is delicious. And when they had it at the store, they put this roasted corn in it. So we bought it to also put inside, so I obviously need to buy it at home for my whole family to try because I am obsessed with it. The next necessity, and something that we have to have literally at all times in my apartment and at home too, is avocados. So every morning I have a piece of toast or a Cocoa Pop. I'm not sure if you know what that is. They sell them at ShopRite. It's kind of like a bread alternative, but at school I end up having a piece of toast with half an avocado on it and 1 egg. And sometimes I drizzle balsamic glaze on top. Sometimes I put the Trader Joe's everything but bagel seasoning on it, and it is my absolute favorite breakfast. Another necessity for me is bananas. If you know me, I am obsessed with bananas, and another very easy breakfast or just snack is toast with peanut butter and banana on top. This may sound odd, but for a snack, I end up freezing these grapes. Eating frozen grapes kind of is like my dessert after dinner. Another thing I got today is the Go Macro Bar in the flavor banana and almond butter. I've only had this twice before, and this is the only flavor I have tried. However, it is absolutely delicious. It's vegan and gluten-free, and it's very high in protein, and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so today my sister and I got some things for my mom as well. And she wanted us to get her jicama sticks. I personally have never heard of a jicama and don't even really know what it is, but she told me to try it. So I'm gonna try it on camera for you guys because I'm curious. Close up, it looks like this. So it kind of looks like a sliced apple. It doesn't really have much of a scent. It's kind of like a harder apple. Are you laughing at me? It tastes like a hard apple with less flavor. So my mom had us get her some other things as well, but for the quick, easy, healthy meals that I make at college, that's about it. And I'm about to make one for my family now. As you guys saw, that was super easy. I just made the sausage, peppers, and broccoli, and then my mom roasted some vegetables as well that I just put on top of there at the end. It was super quick, it's super healthy, and with all of that I was able to feed me, my sister, and my dad. So I hope that was helpful for you guys, and enjoy!